Hey everybody, it's Renee here, coming to you, showing you our 2-signature journal. So this is our 2-signature junk journal, and I'm not completely done the outside part of it, but I thought I would show you everything else for the most part. I have covered up the binding because I'm going to actually probably put something on there, and our charms, which I haven't done yet. That will be another video. This is our outside cover. And the main reason I put this here is because I was trying to cover up what was underneath the fabric on the actual book. I will be putting a little title in here with some pictures and whatnot, but for now this is what I have. This is Tim Holtz, and this is just to tie it up if it gets too poofy. So I'll undo that for now, and let's have a look. So this is the inside. I put a little bit of film on here, and I plan on writing on here probably when I started journaling in here and when I started this, and then when I finished it. So that will probably be part of that, and I can write something up here as well. Just show you, and I will pipe in every once in a while. This is drapery sample. This is an ad to magazines that and different pieces of ephemera I sell on my Etsy channel, so check that out down below. A little bit of cheesecloth, and I am going to put something here, probably a dried flower. A little bit of mixed media. Another one of the ads and what I sell on my Etsy channel. Love this. This is part of a bag. There will be a lot of writing on here, so this will be huge for the journaling part of it, as well as here. I did save, and I do tend to save bottle caps from drinks I have, so I can put those into things like this. There's glossy accents on these flowers, that's why they're kind of glistening. A little bit of mixed media, a little bag to put tags and different things inside. Another magazine. Love how this one turned out, kind of grungy. Lots more journaling on this one. This is a neat one too. Stamping, rub-ons, different pieces of die cut ephemera, and inking. More journaling again. Advertising. Now we're coming to the other half of the first signature. Love all these collage things. It's just, I just love them. And a glossy accent did it. So some watercolor, bits and pieces. This I will have shown in my, I'm trying to think, it was my junk journal a few ago, so you have to have a look. But this is a kids sticker album that was like a fashion girls book. So I actually cut out this girl and put it on here. This is part of Tim Holtz, which is the same as that. A lot of stitching in my books, which I really enjoy the stitching. And then just some watercolor throughout. Some cheesecloth. This is Tim Holtz, a little bit of burlap. This is just another one of the little envelope bags you can put things in. Rub-ons, collage, more rub-ons. I love these little girls. Just fussy cut that out and popped it on. This is all Tim Holtz tissue, so I popped that on with some of my gel medium. I love these stamps. I have a lot of really odd stamps, And I love the stamps. Like, don't usually use regular stamps, but I just find those quirky. A little bit of lace. I like the color on there. This is a postcard from 1913 from Toledo. It's kind of cool. Love this. Glossy accents on the cat's eyes and nose. And there's watercolor on here and ink. This I actually bought, well, I tend to buy some estate stuff. I bought an estate package that had a whole bunch of old photos. And this one, these poor people, I don't know where exactly they come from, but I mean, their family or whoever, I guess they didn't want their pictures, but I had 5 of this exact picture and I just thought it was so cool. So I popped it in here, and I just like those old photos. So I'll pop that over. This was mixed media. I actually created that. That was just a white piece of watercolor paper. And so I made that, but ironically enough, when I cut it out to put it in here, I ripped it the shape of my province, so which I think is very funny. So I just left it like that because I thought it was kind of cool. So I will put some things on there. This, just a tag, and this is an old Sippin' Gypsies tag. I've had this for ages. I just haven't put anything on it yet. Just kind of leaving it a little bit because you don't always have to have stuff on it when you have other things that are kind of busy. Everybody who knows me well knows I'm a cat lady. So I had to put the cats in there, and I love mercats or permaids. It depends on what you want to call it. Lace, cheesecloth. These are Tim Holtz. You can do more journaling. This again was part of that estate. I don't know who that man is, but he looks so suave and debonair. I just thought it was such a cool picture. A little bit of vellum behind, and this was some mixed media I made myself with my gel plate. And I believe that's on a video I've posted previously. A little bit of watercolor. Watercolor. This is the same effect I did previously with the stamps and rub-ons. Love how that turned out. This is Tim Holtz tissue with a little bit of ink and some washi. Again, the quirky stamps. I will probably put something on here, just not sure what yet. This is all washi. So this is the middle of our second signature. And another 7 Gypsies tag. A little bit of lace. More journaling. This is more Tim Holtz tissue with the collage medium. And I love how that goes on. This was a gel press creation I made, and I believe I have that on a video as well. So that's on here. A little bit of burlap. This is a recipe that I want to try. Classic lemon tart. I love lemon and lime. So there's that. Yeah, same thing. You could journal on this or just have it just plain. Love it. That's $49 a market. Tim Holtz. This is cool. This is part of that estate. This is a postcard, and I just thought it was cool and love the colors. This is collage, which I glossy accented it again. Just added that stamp. This was a sticker. I'm huge into the Titanic. Anybody who's known me, again, a long time, I've followed Titanic stuff since I was a young kid, so I'm quite into that. 71. So here we go. Love the flowers. Shabby. Love shabby. These were all ripped out, or there's the odd thing that's Tim Holtz, but these were ripped out. And yeah, just added on with a little bit of ribbon. Love the look. Love the look. Like, this is just so cool. Same with this. Just a bunch of different things kind of meshed together. You could put journaling in wherever it may fit. Journal in here. Another pocket again. So, and then this one. I thought this was cool just because my favorite color is turquoise. And I saw in an album, this is all National Geographic turquoise stuff. So I thought I'd go through and I started adding some turquoise things. Thought that was so cool of the sea seal. And these birds, like I just thought that was so cool. Love the colors, just love that. So I'm gonna leave that like that and add more as I find them. Here, I haven't decided what I'm gonna do. I might write on it, I might add pictures, not sure. So this was my two signature junk journal. There's the middle, and I love how it's turned out. Yeah, it turned out really well. There's a lot in here, and it's not too thick yet because I can still add. So you can see that. So that is still in process. So tell me what you think. What would you add to it? Is there anything you would add that I've maybe missed or haven't put in here yet? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well, and the bell notification, because I have lots more junk journals coming, as well as lots more creations, because I am going to try and post more frequently. And I really appreciate everybody's support and all your comments. And don't forget, on the 20th of every month, I also have my contest draw. So, which you can go back and check, because I explain many times throughout my videos on how you can go about entering to win. So anyways, I want to thank you for looking through my albums and my journals and all my creations. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.